In this tutorial, we will show you how to add additional columns to the tables already selected within an entity. First, in the SAP Data Modeler, identify the entity where we want to add the new fields and double-click on it. Then, click the Change button to enter the entity in edit mode. Next, at the top of the screen, select Column Definition. This feature allows us to review the available fields for each table and include them in our entity. This screen has two sections. First, on the left side are the available fields of a chosen table, all columns in each table. Expand a table by clicking the arrow to view its columns. Next, on the right side are the current selected fields for that table. Expand the table by clicking the arrow to view its columns. To add a column to selected fields, right, locate it in Available Fields, left, and double-click it. The column will move to selected fields, indicating it's now included in this entity. Now we're going to add another field named Order Reason to our entity. And we will add another field named Collective Number. For better visualization and to keep things in order, we're going to collapse the Available Fields folder. And we're going to collapse the Selected Fields folder as well. We're going to repeat the process with the next table. To do so, we expand the Next Available Fields folder. And once again, we expand the Selected Fields folder to view the fields. And we add a new field. We collapse the folder. And we collapse the folder on the right. Additionally, if needed, you can select all the available fields in your entity. Simply click on Pass All Columns to Right. This will consider all available fields from all the tables in your entity. You can verify the addition of the tables by expanding each folder. To remove a field from the selection, double-click it in the Selected Fields section on the right side of the screen. It will then be unselected. Once you've selected the desired fields, click the Back button to return to the entity's main configuration. In the entity's main configuration, scroll down to the domain field list and confirm that the newly added fields appear. In this example, the field Order Reason is now listed. Here's an example of a key field that was included from the start when the entity was first created and the tables with their relationships were added. Now we're going to save the changes made by clicking on the Save Customizing option. An alert will appear asking if you want to proceed, since some tables belong to other entities and the structure was previously saved. Click Yes to continue. Keep in mind that changing a table's fields will affect all entities that use it. And now we click Confirm. We select the Package field to specify where the changes will be stored. Finally, click the Save icon. And that's it. Now you know how to add fields to your entity tables in the Data Modeler.